Hey guys, ClayRepairs here. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, and that's really because I'm running out of ideas. I don't have anything to do repair videos on, so I'm thinking of taking on a project, and kind of a big project at that, involving this 1975 Ford F250. This is my dad's old pickup, and it's been neglected lately, and really needs some work. Although technically it does run right now, it's really not in the greatest of shape. And it's pretty solid, doesn't have any terrible rust. So I think this is a good project to take on for me and just for this channel. It makes some great content, I think. So as I said before, this is a 1975 Ford F250 Ranger. It'll be funny because this will be like the second Ranger. This is like my Ranger's older brother. It has a 4-speed manual transmission and a 460 big block V8 under the hood. Now I'll run through some of the issues it has to get an idea of what it's going to need and what kind of videos I'll be doing with this on my channel. One of the major things is the interior, which needs quite a bit of work. It's pretty bad in here, especially the headliner. I mean, just take a look at it. And the door panels and carpet don't look too good either. This carpet should be this color, but up here it's so faded it's almost yellow. It also has a good amount of rust, mainly on the trim around the headliner, which hopefully will be replaced along with the headliner, and back here above the dome light. I'd also like to put 3-point seat belts on this too, just to modernize it and make it a little safer. I'm just not 100% sure how to do that. Okay, moving on from the interior, these tires aren't in the greatest shape either. They're pretty old and don't have a ton of tread left on them. The back brakes are pretty well shot on it as well. It hardly stops, and to even get it going, we're going to have to at least bleed the front brakes, otherwise you won't be able to stop. I'm thinking of doing either a drum brake, basically full rebuild, or more likely just a disc brake conversion, just to make it all that much better. I know this thing needs a new fan clutch in there, as well as some carburetor work, because it's not running exactly right. But nothing major. Hopefully no big engine rebuilds or nothing like that. Moving on to some more cosmetic details. I'd like to do a paint job on this. It's, you know, a little bit rusty and stuff in some places, and could kind of use it, but I'm not sure what color. Whether we should just repaint it with the same factory off-white, or whether we should go for something like dark blue or red, which I think would make it look a lot nicer. And along with the paint, I think this bumper could use some paint too. Maybe redo this bumper, front and back bumper, while we're at it. And the bed doesn't exactly look the best. There's quite a bit of rust right here too. So overall, I think this truck's pretty solid. I mean, it's got its issues. It's got some rust and some interior issues, but I think I could fix this up and turn it into something pretty cool. I'd like to do this on the channel, and I hope you guys would enjoy seeing this too. In the next video, I want to really get this thing cleaned up, so I'll probably bleed the brakes so we can drive this thing down to the barn and give it a good pressure washing, and then probably put it in the shop to start working on it. And stay tuned for more episodes in this series. If you'd like to see this project happen, go ahead and give this video a like and comment what you'd like to see me do to this thing. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a single video.